Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to the video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to install JDK on Ubuntu machine. Maybe you already familiarized with the Windows machines and somehow, and maybe I'll show you one of the difference between JDK and OpenJDK. There's two Java development kit available on the internet. One is for Oracle JDK kit. I mean, it's one of the premium package you have to buy. Other one is OpenJDK, which is so open source community based and code source is also available. And it says Oracle JDK is way more enhanced and way more advanced than this, but OpenJDK is still in a better option if you don't like to pay for that. And what you have to do is, okay, further without, I'll show you how to install. What you have to do is just search the Java version or something what you have on a download. This is OpenJDK archive, whether you can go and search for the JDK version and download it. This is the Oracle JDK archive, and this is way more easier to understand. I mean, if you are looking into Oracle JDK easy, then I'll show you. What you have to do is just click on the file you want to download. And for example, this is a JDK 8 file, and this is 82201 mean this is a minor version. Again, you pick one version, and there's like a plenty of files, okay? How do you go to understand which file you are supposed to download? First, look for here and get to know which OS you are using. If you are using Ubuntu, then any Linux distribution, you may go under here, okay? Otherwise, you can pick a Windows installer, Mac installer, some Solaris install, whatever it is. Then you have to know the computer architecture, whether it is a 64-bit or what what to say. Better get to your terminal and type uname is like -m. It shows your CPU distribution, I mean not CPU, or like computer operating system distribution. And it's like 64-bit OS, okay? Then my one is Ubuntu. Actually, I'm using, if you want to further check your operating system, maybe if you're using Linux, you can basically type cat etc OS release, and so I'm using Ubuntu. Then most likely to I'm getting 84-bit something. I'm sorry, 64-bit something from these two file. I think this one is the most suitable one. Then click here and it will be downloaded. Then now I have already downloaded that file. I'm going to there. It's in my desktop somewhere. Like, like that file is downloaded into here. Then what you have to do is after you download this file, go to that location, open in terminal and type tar minus xvf and file name. Press enter, it will extract the file. Likewise, it will give, okay, you may see, sorry, as you see, it's like there's another new folder created. What you have to do is you may use to move your file to, maybe you can use to move your file to OPT, or somehow you can, if you like to use, you can move your file to USR as well. USR Java, USR somewhere. But I would prefer to move my file to OPT. Okay. Then what I have to do is desktop. I have to type move JDK. If you want to copy, you can copy as well without moving the file. To copy, you have to type CP space -R. Okay. Like CP -R. -R in the sense we are using a recursive method for a folder. And file name and the location. I can folder name and the location. Location is OPT. Or otherwise, you can use move, move folder name and the destination. And it's already those file I copied to there. Then I'm going to the location, and you can see, okay, this JDK 1.8.0202 is there. So already here, what I have to type, I have to first, let me check my Java version. It's Java 1.5022, which I'm using. Also, I'm checking my Java C version. Oh, it's a minor version, okay? That's not supporting either. I don't mind. Up to now, my Java version is 1.5022. Then now we want to convert this to Java 8. What we have to do is, we know where we are. Okay, we are inside the OPT, and this folder is with us. We have to type export Java home, then OPT, and that folder name. My folder is JDK 1.8022. Then press enter. Again, you have to export path, well, then $sign Java home / bin. It's Java bin $, path. Press enter. Then let me check my Java version using Java space minus version. See, now it's changed to Java 18002. Also, you can check your Java compiler version by running this command. Okay, Java C 1.8002. One of the next thing what you can do is, maybe if you are installing or if you are working with multiple Java version. See, I already have installed JDK 1.7 and 1.5, as you see. If I want to if I want to insert this, okay, to my bash RC profile or bash profile, somehow you can you are able to manage the Java version, and you can switch between different Java version as you want. Let's say I'm using my bash RC, and I'll show you how to change to a Java version and how to add this Java version permanently if you want, okay? Permanently in the sense you can change it later. As you see, in here, I already have some Java home file here. As you see, you can see. Let me go back. I want to copy this command. I'm just copying it, okay? Because next line is already there. Can you see? That line is already in here. I press I and copy paste it. I added this line, okay? In here, this is already, we can't keep two Java home. Only one Java home, I have been exporting it. Then I'm pressing W when I'm exiting it. Next, what I have to do is I have to source this. Again, type Java version. As you see, okay. It's Java 1.8.02. If I want to switch back to another Java version or change the Java version, what can I do is I can go to my bash profile, and bash RC, this is not bash profile. I comment that line, I uncomment other one, which I want. Okay, this path is already here, then don't worry about this. You need this only two line, only this one and another one. And I'm going back. Then I'm sourcing my bash RC. It's like you can use a new terminal or something as well. New session. Again, I type, see, so it's already 1800. Now it's 1.5022. As this method, it will be easy to manage many Java version. You just have to download the file, unzip it, move it to somewhere, or keep the place you want to be there and export the path to there. It's better practice to move it to OPT or USR, user profile, then that will be easier to manage. And thank you so much for the video. I think if you have any doubt or comment, please doubt or any feedback, please put it in a comment. And thank you so much. Thank you guys.